to the wonderful world of Waikato Sheds, everyone. We're here with Andy from Feature Build. Andy, how are you going?
Very good, thanks mate. How are you?
I'm absolutely fantastic. It's a Thursday, which is actually a Friday because we've got Matariki this weekend, so I'm excited. Yourself, any big plans for the weekend?
Oh, a few jobs around home, but lay low just with the cold and that.
Yeah, just a bit of relaxing. I'm the same, not going to get up to too much, but if you are out there getting out on the road, make sure you drive safe, don't have too many beersies. And what have we got going on behind us?
Oh, we've got a nice big 30-degree pitch gable shed in flex pod colour.
Yeah, cool. And T-rib on the wall and on the roof.
Yep, on the roof.
Yeah, nice.
Bit of clear light on the other side. This client here has opted to put up a few extra girts in the mindset of putting big solar bank panels up the top there.
Yeah, nice. Yep. Cool. So then clear lights out the side, let a bit of sunlight in, and let that sunlight charge your batteries, the future.
That's right.
And then we happen to be standing on another concrete pad. So what else is going on in this build?
Yeah, so this will be the pool house, obviously next to the pool.
Beautiful.
Yeah, so this one will be a nice A-frame framed one. Bathroom out the back, nice big raking ceiling. Got some nice black cedar wrapping around there with some nice A-frame shape out the front there and bits and pieces.
Yeah, so. And we're doing this all in steel house?
All in steel house,
and then double glazed joinery in it. And
double glazed joinery, nice polished black concrete floors. Yeah,
cool. So when they polish this, will it expose the rock, you mean? Or is it just going to be like finished?
Yeah, so we haven't had talked to Tony, the client, about it yet, but yeah, there's three different ways you can go about it. You can go quite industrial, go the salt and pepper mixture look, which is the finer stone, or you can go a bit deeper and get into the bigger stones. So
right.
Sometimes it's hard to picture or see the pictures online, so we'll do one coat first and you can kind of see what it's going to be, and if you want to go a bit further, you can go a bit further,
And you'll just get a concrete grinding company in to grind it, or
we will do. Yep.
Cool. And then just on site, do one, see what it's like, go a bit harder if they want it.
Yeah, peel the top layer off, you can put a bit of water on it kind of shows
what it will be.
Yeah, it gives you a bit of a picture of what you like before you get too much further, and you can choose your choice of how far you want to go and how much you want to expose and how big the rock will be,
Yeah, nice. And you'll do that all before you start building, so it's right up to the edges, or you're going to build and then do it?
Yeah, we'll probably cover up and close in, and then we'll do initial grind even just around the edges, so I can get to them, and then we'll line up, and then probably pre-jib we'll probably do it and get the nice finish, cover the floors, work on it, and then paint and seal down to it.
Yeah, very cool.
Yeah.
Oh, that's exciting. Looking forward to that. And it's going to be clad in the same tin? No, you're saying a bit of timber on the sides.
Yeah, so cedar along this eastern side and the northern face out to the pool, and then the same ironclad around the rest of it.
Very cool. Oh, that'll be exciting to see the rest of that. And then, just a big, bad, beautiful shed, roller doors each end, bit of aluminium joinery in it.
Yep.
And, yeah, cool. So that build's been going pretty good.
Yeah.
So we'll come back in another week or two and catch up, and we might be able to jump in the pool, midwinter swim.
On a nice sunny day.
Yeah, beautiful. All right, thank you very much. Cheers, mate.
Thank you.
So up here on the scaffolding, like all our jobs, we always get them fully scaffed or use edge protection. So the guys have built the roof. They will have put all these top hats on with a scissor lift or a bit of mobile scaff on the inside, and then they've laid the end wall sheets on this end. They'll just ping a string line and cut those down. And then on the other end, they have already cut those down, so you get that sort of look of them both. So nice big roller doors going on in here. And then they will run their netting over. So we have scaff up, then we put safety netting over that you then lay your paper and roof sheets onto to keep that all safe as houses. Awesome.